The company has more than 17,000 square meters of production and processing workshop, equipped with nearly 100 sets of professional CNC processing equipment. For more than 10 years we have always been guided by technology, software and hardware independent design with very strong technical support. With an annual production capacity of 5,000 sets, it has been exported to more than 100 countries. We had set up 23 overseas showrooms to provide customers with installation, after-sales services, and signage solution.